So in this video, you'll learn how to install Genshin Impact on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to open the Google Play Store. And then once you've opened it, you want to tap on this search function and you want to type in Genshin Impact. Once you've typed it in, just tap on search and wait for it to be brought in the search results. Once you see it in the search results, just tap on it and then select install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been installed, you can tap on play to start playing the game immediately, or you can just go back to the home screen, look for the app from there and launch it from there. Then you can start playing Genshin Impact on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.